voice using the Goddess voice.
This is my voice without using any microphone. So this is just the default camera on my phone. And I just received my Mauno T1 wireless microphone lavalier. And it has like 3 accessories included. Right off the bat, it comes with the lightning adapter. And then we have this back. Ang liit niya lang, para siyang AirPods. So, may lalagyan na siya. Ito, yung USB-C. Kasi yung binili ko is yung 2-in-1 na. So, may USB-C na rin siya and meron din siyang lightning. So, again, meron siyang case na super tiny, parang AirPods lang siya. And it comes with 2 microphones. Super cute microphone. Cute-cute niya. Is up to 30 hours kapag using case, and it's 6 hours kapag yung microphone. Charger, and of course user manual. So comes with wind filter. Yung microphone niya meron ng default. Then let's proceed naman dun sa mga free accessories. Again, another bag. And it has the magnet which we will stick to our microphone. We'll try and stick it here. So, meron din siyang necklace. Wind filter. Ang daming wind filter actually. 4 na wind filter. So, 4 na ganito sa loob. Plus 2. So, meron akong 6 na wind filter. And then we have this necklace which we will attach the magnet and then stick our microphone. So this is my voice with the default microphone without noise cancellation. And this is my voice with the noise cancellation. So as you can hear, medyo okay naman yung sound. Hindi nyo na naririnig yung aircon sound. Maingay kasi yung aircon ko eh. So, yun yung pinaka-problem ko. Tsaka pag umuulan, kailangan ko talaga ng mic na maka-cancel out yung ingay sa labas. Kasi minsan nagpi-film ako ng mga content ko, yung mga products ko. So, meron din siyang voice changer. Let me show you.
This is my voice using the uncle sound.
This is my voice using the baby voice. This is my voice using the Goddess voice.
So, ganito lang siya. I-attach nyo lang siya. Pwedeng di-clip. Here. Okay, pwede siyang di-clip na ganyan. And then, pwede mo rin siyang i-magnet. Like here. Ayan. Of course, pwede mo rin siyang hawakan. I think, mas malakas siya kapag hinahawakan mo. So, this is my voice kapag hawak ko yung mic and close-up sound. And then, we have another ways which is using the necklace. Lalagay mo lang yung magnet inside, like that. Sorry. And then, dikit mo lang siyang ganyan. And then, suotin mo na siya. But, I don't really prefer this. Mas prefer ko yung either clip or i-magnet siya. So, I think mas malinaw siya kapag hawak-hawak mo yung mic. So, this is my sound with the mic close-up. So, what do you think, guys? I-add nyo na siya sa yellow basket. Thank you!